I know we've had record-breaking speeds as far as these live cops go, but this shit right here might be the fastest one. I got a minute worth of content that I cropped out of what was a live cop this morning. If y'all doing up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. While you're down there, go on 1.NORI on Instagram and follow that page. Matter of fact, we about to be giving away this Iraq Supreme tee. All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel and go on 1.NORI, follow that, and DM me done. All you gotta do, deadass, and you'll have a chance to win this tee right here. I'm gonna end it when the Supreme season ends, so run it up. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So this week was looking a little bit loaded, bro. We had the snowman inflatable, the coffee maker, pieces of art, not gonna lie, but that price on the coffee maker was a little too steep. I don't have my own house yet, so the snowman's a little, you feel me, out the box for me as well. But one thing that I did decide that I needed was the Mophie, so we're gonna go over this live cop real quick. So it was low-key a little bit past 11 a.m. this morning when I started refreshing the page. I'm like, yo, what's going on? Shit wasn't loading up at first, so I went back to accessories. It came through. I'm like, yo, let me get that Mophie, add that shit to cart immediately, waste no time, go to the Play Dead tee, add that shit in a size large as well. At this point, I'm checking out and I'm filling out all my information. I'm like, bro, what the fuck am I doing? I'm using Apple Pay anyways, so I double click on Apple Pay. And like I've been saying for the longest, Apple Pay is the best invention when it comes to Supreme, because it's so smooth. It's honestly effortless at this point, and it processed, you feel me? I got my Mophie and the Play Dead tee size large. Let me know what y'all went for in the comments below. Honestly, I thought it was a pretty clean week and I got everything that I wanted, so I can't complain. I'm actually excited to see the Play Dead tee in person, because I normally don't even fuck with white tees, if y'all know me, but this is one of the ones that I'm like, yo, fuck it, let me try to get it, and I might bust this one out when it turns spring summer next year. But yeah, bro, that was pretty much the live cop, quick as fuck, like I was telling y'all. Let me know in the comments if you decided to go for anything this week, or did you decide to sleep? I'm currently waiting on my Amamanier Jordan 4s to touch down. Once they do, I think I'm gonna take them to the mall and do a little size swap, because I need them shits in my collection, bro. I've been seeing them on feet a whole lot lately. They've been looking immaculate, bro, so I'm excited for those to touch down. A review on these is coming soon, so stay tuned for that as well. That pretty much does it for this video. If y'all enjoyed, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel. You might as well, because we're giving away this Iraq tee right here. All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel and follow 1.NORI on Instagram. DM me on there saying done, and you'll be entered for this giveaway right here. I'm gonna pick a winner once the Supreme season's over, which is low-key in like 4 weeks, you feel me? A little month left, so enter that shit. A lot of news is coming up soon for the brand, I promise y'all, but I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.